Hi all, this is LG washing machine. Recently we have bought it. Okay, thought to do this review because I didn't seen many washing machines from LG in YouTube and all. So I thought like this review will be useful for at least one. Okay, this is 6 kgs of Samsung LG washing machine, and this is a direct drive technology. It means there will be no belt for this. Okay, by looking it will be like this. Okay, actually this looks compact only. It is not more than 2 feet of width, so people who has less space, they can easily keep this in their home. And this is a waste pipe. This waste pipe also has given a little bit longer one only. And this is inside the tub. And this has NFC, so if there is any issue, so we can use this NFC to debug. That is what the company people has told. Let's just power on this. We'll see how it is. It will be like this. These are different modes. See, cotton plus, mix, easy care, for blankets, allergy care, baby stream care. If there is any little children, there is a option called a steam wash, so you can use that. Other than that, there is a sports wear, gentle care, dark wash, stain care and all. So what we like is it makes very less noise. Okay, it won't even very little bit of noise it would make. We had other washing machine Samsung compared to this one that makes more noise. So this is what we like in LG. And one thing which we didn't like is this under this machine they had given very less quality of on plastic sheet. If there is any problem like rats and all, there may be a chance that rats may go inside, but it's okay. It is very less space only, but still there is one sheet. I'm not able to lift this. Oh my god. So the sheet is very thin actually. So if people like in any home rats and all will there, means it will be little bit of problem. So if it is clean and everything, then there is no problem of that. And this is a 1000 RPM. Actually for this cost in IFB and all we had seen, there we are getting only 800 RPM. So we have chosen this one because it is a 1000 RPM. Hope this video is useful. Thank you.